Hi, my name is Miguel Arches and welcome to my MMS 100 midterm reflection vlog. This is basically the story of how I survived modules to 1 to 10 and how slowly I realized na multimedia is way bigger than I imagined. So everything started with module 1. Akala ko kasi yung multimedia, picture lang, video lang, editing lang, ganun. But Module 1 made me realize na multimedia is actually a system with hardware, software, processes, and meanings behind it. Well, then Module 2 happened. And honestly, parang nag-expand yung mundo ko. Multimedia studies pala means understanding not just the tools, but the culture, society, interactivity, and communication. Ito ko nang naramdaman na, okay, this course is deeper than Adobe Premiere and Pictures. Siyempre, pagpasok ng Module 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, parang nagpunta ako ng tour ng different multimedia elements kasi yung Module 4, Digital Tech, yung Module 5, Digital Images, kasi yung Module 6 naman is about animation, audio, isa siyang buong tour talaga. Kasi sa Module 4, nakita ko how something as simple as text becomes powerful because of the structure, hierarchy, coding, and typography. Ayan. Module 5 naman, kasi the digital images, dito ko mas naintindihan yung mga pixels, resolution, pati yung compression. Dati hindi ko naman binibigyan pansin. Ganun. Kahit lagi ko siya nalaman. Tapos ng Module 6 naman is very open my eyes to motions, frame rates, and why animation works the way it does. Suddenly yung mga nakikita kong effects online, gets ko na kung paano siya nabubuo. Alam mo yun, parang may nakita kang something, parang okay, gets kita. Ganun na. 7 naman is about audio. Tulad nung naririnig mo sa background na trend siya guys, dumaan yung trend. Going back nga sa Module 7, this module made me appreciate sound design, bitrate, sampling, and kung bakit importante ang clean na audio. Tulad ng narinig mo kanina na trend, dapat hindi mo naririnig yun, pero narinig mo. Yes. And for Module 8, mas malinaw na sa akin yung flow na record, edit, encode, compress, deliver. With every video decision, wala may technical reason. Parang puzzle na every module was one piece and slowly nabubuo yung bigger picture. Pero ito ba talaga yung bigger picture? I doubt. First year pa lang ako. Module 9 is a turning point for me. This is where multimedia stopped feeling like content, started to feel like an experience. Interactivity, hypermedia, choices, parang na-realize ko to, mas naging mindful ako sa mga everyday apps and websites. Then yung Module 10 tied everything together. Rising tools, workflows, planning, multimedia products. Yung module na nagbibigay sa akin ng confidence na okay, kaya ko pala yung something structured, hindi yung basta bara-bara. Yes, kaya mo siya basta alam mo na. Honestly, yung main challenge talaga dito, balancing everything, work, life, readings, modules na dense, may times na pag sobrang pagod lang talaga ako. So alam mo yun, like natututunan kong hati-hatiin yung task somehow and take them at my own pace talaga. Mahirap makapag-keep up lalo na kung di mo totally kilala yung sarili mo. You know where to part things. Parang ko naman, slowly gumaan siya. Before MMS 100, ang understanding ko sa multimedia was super shallow. Pero ngayon, I see it as a system, process, culture, and technology all working together create meaning na hindi lang siya creative. It also analytical. Second half of my course, started ako to learn more on hands-on skills, especially sa authoring and creating actual multimedia outputs. Gusto ko rin mas maintindihan yung ethical side and better design practices. That's my MMS journey so far. Thanks for watching and good luck sa ating lahat. Yun lang.